Welcome back, Lancers. Today we will be studying about break statement. We will study what is break statement, how it is work and how it is useful to us, and what is the basic concept behind break statement and where to use break statements. We will also program few examples to understand it better. So now let's get right into the video. So here we are back to our presentation. First of all, break statement. So what is this break statement and what is the basic use of a break statement? The basic use of a break statement is to bring the program control out of a loop or a switch case. Let us say, for example, we have a loop of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In our loop, it will be printing from 1 to 5. Let us say inside the loop, I have already provided written a statements like something like this. If I is equals to 3, then break. Then what will happen? The program will only execute till 3. After that, the program flow, or you can say the program control, or you can say the pointer which is controlling the program will move out of that execution, and 4 and 5 will not be printed in the inside in the execution page. Also, break statement are used inside loops and switch case. To remember this, switch case and loops are the two important sectors where we use break statement. We have already used our break statement in switch case, but we were not knowing about it in a very detailed manner. So now we will understand it using first of all using flowcharts. Now first of all, let's see, we have already seen that the break statement of C can be used in the following two scenarios: switch case and loop. We already know that. So how we will use this break statement in switch case and loop? First, we will understand it with the flowcharts. So this is a flowchart of loop where we are using a break statement. Let's say our program starts from here. It go to the condition with the loop, that is the condition. If the condition is false, then it will be terminate. But if it is true, the program will go to break statement, and after that the break statement will terminate the program. If it is if the condition is false, it will not execute. So you see, break statement just do one thing. It brings the program control out of that specific program, out of that specific loop or statement which is already running. Also, a fun fact: if let us say we have a nested loop. You see, let's say we have a box of I loop. Inside that we have another box of J loop. And now if the break statement is here, it will not terminate till outside, but it will terminate the J loop, but it cannot terminate the I loop, and I loop will iterate, or you can say I loop will execute as it should be. We will understand these in the hands-on sessions. Now let's move to the flowchart of switch case. We already know what is switch case. In switch case, we use switch case in menu driven programs. Let's say this is how a switch case work. We have as many cases as we can, and the program flow will move from here, and it will check each cases. Let's say we want 2, that is case 2, then case 1 will be checked. If case 1 is false, then the program flow, or you can the program flow will go to case 2. After that, it will check the case 2 in case 2. If it is true, yes, we have already decided that our case is true, so it is true, then the statement will be executed, and after that as break statement will be executing, the programs will execute here only. It will not case the it will not check the third and the fourth case. This is what break statements do. Let us clear these. Now let us say our case is 3. Answer me as I asked. What if our case is 3? Our program flow will go from here. What will do? In case 1, what will happen? In case 1, as it is false, the program flow will move to case 2. After that, what will happen? After that, it will check case 2, and we already know that case 2 is false, so it will also then also the program flow will move to case 3. After that, what will happen? After case 3, as it is true, that is, we want third case, then the statements inside that case 3 will execute. After the execution of statements, the break statement will be called, and while executing break statement, the program will terminate. This is what break statements do. Now let's move to the programming session and understand the break statement in a much more practical way. So now we are back to our VS Code, and we have already made a break1.c program file, and also we have written the include standard.io.h. After that, we have programmed int main function, and after that, inside int main we will take a variable int I. We will initialize the I with 1, and we will be basically what we are doing, we are making a while loop, or you can say we are printing the values from 1 to 10. And after that, what we will do, we will just print our variable I, something like this. This is what we do to print. Okay, and here also we will give a backslash n to make it understandable, and also we will provide I++. Now if I run this program, what will happen? Let's see. It will print 1 to 10. Now here is the catch. If I say if I is equals to 5, what we have to do? We just have to break. Now let's see what is the output now. You see, now the output is 1 to 4. Why? Because when I become 5, the break statement is called, and the break statement terminates this while loop, which says you can say that it terminate after terminating the while loop, the further outputs are stopped, and they cannot be executed. This is what the use of break statement is. Now let us make another example. Let us take another example. This time we will make a loop of for I equals to 1, I less than let's say 10, and I plus plus. After that, we will print for we will take another j is equals to this, here it is 10, so I will start it with 11, then j less than equals to 21, not 21, 20, and then we will increase the value of j. Yes, we have to declare j first. Now what we will be printing, we will print f ampersand d with an hyphen and ampersand d, and then we will be printing I comma j value. Also we will give a backslash n here. Yes, now let us see what is the output of this program. You see, it will print a long values, something like this. 111, 111, 112, 113. This goes to 1, this goes till 120. After that 211, 212, 213. This goes till 20. After that 311, and this goes till 20. So basically this is what happening inside while loop. Now let us give a break statement here. If j is equals to let us say for example 15, and then what do we have, will just break the program. And if we will run this program now, let's see what will happen. You see what is happening here. In 1 it is printing 1 to, okay, sorry, here we have to do, as the printing is done inside j loop, it is not doing anything much. Okay, now if you run this program, I have not changed anything. You see what is happening here. Understand this one first. We have seen in our previous example, before giving the break statement, the output was something like this: 111, 112, 113, 114, and it goes on till 120. After that it was 211, 212, 213, and it goes on till 220, and this goes on till 1020. This is what the output was. But now what is the output? Now as we have given as j is equals to 15 break, so the whenever the j value becomes 15, the j loop terminates, but the I loop doesn't terminate, and it will increase. See here, first the I value is 1, j value is 11, then I value is 1, j value is 12, and these goes on until j value becomes 15. After j value becomes 15, the j loop terminates, and after that the I loop executes, in which the I is increased to 2, and after that again it goes till 15. And you see, after going till 15, 3 in j loop again terminates, and I loop again execute. This is what is happening inside a while loop when we provide a break statement. So understand this one. Break statement terminates the current program flow, not the previous program flow. Understand this one. In this one we have a j loop inside an I loop. So the j loop, if the break statement inside that j loop, then the j loop will stop executing, or you can say the term j loop will terminate, but not the complete program will terminate. This is what I want to understand, make you understand. Now the break statement for switch cases. For that we will just include standard.h int main here. Let's say we have a choice of 3, and then we will switch choice. In the case I will give 1. In the code I will write print f hello. Then we have break statement. We'll just copy this one. I'm not doing anything. I'm just making a switch case program, and I'm just printing hello, hi, and bye in case 1, case 2, and case 3 respectively. The break statement is also provided, and let us just remove the default variable. Now what will happen if we run this program? We have given the choice as 3, so ch value is 3. So what do you think what will print? Let's see first. Okay, we have forgotten a bracket here, so now let's run this program. You see buy is printed here. So why buy? Why not hello or hi? Because here we have given choice as 3, and as ch is equals to 3, first of all the program flow will check case 1. As case 1 is false, it will goes to case 2, then it will check case 2. As it is false, then it will check 3, and then it will print buy. As case 3 is true, then the break statement will execute and terminate this switch case. Now let us change this value of ch to 1, and after that let's just run this program. You see now hello. So as it printed hello, as case 1 was true, it will not check case 2 or case 3. This is what the work of break is. This is why we use break in switch case. Now let us remove this break statement and see what will happen. Now if you'll run this program, you see it print hello and then hi and then bye. It printed all the threes because after as ch1 is equals to 1, case 1 will be printed. After that case 2 will be also printed because no break statement is terminate the switch case. So that is why again the case 3 will also terminate, and this goes on. Now let us change the value of 2 and now run the program. You see now it prints hi and bye because case 1 is not true, so it goes to case 2. As case 2 is true, it will print hi, and after that it will print every single of the cases. This is what the work of break statement in a switch case is. For now, let's wrap this video. Thank you for watching. Peace.